In this video, we delve into the roots of the Middle East conflict, explaining how the struggle between Israel and Palestine began. The history of the region that today comprises Israel and Palestine dates far back to biblical times. Various peoples, including the Hebrews, the Philistines, and others, settled in this region. Historical and archaeological evidence shows the complex past of this area and the diverse cultural and religious influences that intersected here. Until the end of World War I, the territory of modern-day Israel and Palestine was part of the Ottoman Empire. With the empire's defeat in 1918 and the disintegration of the Ottoman Empire, borders in the Middle East were redrawn. European powers, particularly Great Britain and France, played a crucial role in determining these new boundaries. After World War I, the area came under British control and became known as the British Mandate for Palestine. During this time, there was increased Jewish immigration to the region, driven by the Zionist dream of establishing a Jewish state. But the Arab-Palestinian population also aspired to self-determination and independence. In 1947, the United Nations proposed a plan to divide Palestine into a Jewish and an Arab state. The plan was accepted by Jewish leaders but rejected by Arab leaders. This led to further tensions and conflicts between the two communities in the region. On May 14, 1948, David Ben-Gurion, the first Prime Minister of Israel, declared the independence of the Jewish state. This led to the outbreak of the First Arab-Israeli War, in which multiple Arab states intervened. The war ended in a ceasefire, but the borders and the status of Palestine remained disputed. In 1967, the escalation of tensions led to the Six-Day War, during which Israel gained control over additional territories, including the West Bank and the Gaza Strip. In the subsequent decades, there have been several more conflicts and peace efforts, yet a definitive solution to the conflict remains elusive. In 1993 and 1995, the Oslo Accords were signed between Israel and the Palestine Liberation Organization, PLO, providing for temporary self-administration for the Palestinians in parts of the West Bank and the Gaza Strip. However, the accords did not lead to a lasting peace solution, and violence flared up again in the following years. The present situation is characterized by ongoing tensions and periodic outbreaks of violence. Both sides have deeply rooted claims to the land, and efforts towards a two-state solution have repeatedly failed. The unrest and conflicts have led to a tragic loss of human lives and enduring mistrust between the communities. The international community, including the United Nations and other international organizations, has repeatedly tried to mediate in the conflict and find a solution. Despite some progress, a lasting and just solution for both sides remains a challenging and unresolved task.